Alright, in my video on how to block your Fender Stratocaster Tremolo, I made some custom blocks out of shims for an exact thickness to keep the tremolo parallel to the guitar body. And you could also custom grind a piece of hardwood to make your blocks. These I made out of black walnut for this guitar. Now, the way these are done, they're done to stay in here for an extended period of time. So this isn't the kind of system you want to do, or if you want to pop these out from one song to the other. So they're in here pretty solid. Now, I still have the strings on the guitar. Basically, all I did was I pulled my springs off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the front block, and then I'll put my springs back on, and then I'll take out the back block. So I have this furniture felt that I stick in here to use as a pad against the block, and it just pries right up and comes right out like this, and then your springs would go back on like this. And this is going to create tension it's going to pull and I'm putting them like this because it's easier just to get them in on an angle to reach that. Now, as you can see, this block loosens right up. It comes right out.